Post etch punching is a multi-layer PCB manufacturing process used to establish precise layer-to-layer registration before lamination. At NetVia, this process helps create the alignment needed as individual PCB layers move toward multi-layer layup. Unlike processes that reference the original panel edges, post-etch punching registers each PCB layer to the copper image that has already been etched onto the material. This creates a stable datum based on the actual circuit pattern and helps improve alignment throughout the processes that follow. Before production begins, the operator reviews the work order and loads the appropriate setup into the post-etch punch machine. The system is then configured and calibrated for the specific panel being processed. At the heart of the process is a 4-camera vision system. These cameras locate copper registration fiducials within the etched artwork on each layer. By referencing these targets, the machine can evaluate panel position and alignment before punching. The system then precisely positions the panel and creates 6 registration holes around the frame of each layer. These holes become critical during multi-layer PCB layup in the lamination department. They allow the individual PCB layers to be accurately positioned as they are assembled into a multi-layer book prior to lamination. After punching, each panel is removed, and the registration holes are inspected for cleanliness and quality before the material moves to the next manufacturing step. Although post-etch punching is only one stage of multi-layer PCB production, it plays an important role in PCB layer registration. By registering directly to the etched copper image, NetVia establishes the alignment needed to produce complex multi-layer printed circuit boards with consistent, repeatable accuracy.